Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. My name is Lovette. So guys, on this video I'll be showing you guys how I created that beautiful look, beautiful picture that I just posted some days ago. I'll be showing you guys how I create the look, guys. Okay, first of all, I've used, you guys see I've used my face primer serum to rub my face, to moisturize my face so that my face will be glowing on the makeup. After using that, I just use a okay guys, after using that, I use a brush to brush off my natural hair brow. Use a setting powder to set it. Okay, you must use a setting powder to set it before you do your foundation, or you can do your makeup first, do your eyebrow first before do your foundation. Whatsoever you like, you can do with it. Okay, after doing that, I use a foundation. I blend my foundation. Make sure that you blend your foundation very well. Very, very important, okay? Because if you blend your foundation very well, you blend your concealer very well, you will get that beautiful look that you need, okay? Without blending all those two things, you will not get that look that you need. After doing that, I use my concealer, blend my concealer, and I use my lipstick. What I use here, guys, is lipstick. Okay, this is not bronze, it's just a red a wine lipstick. Okay, this is wine lipstick. I just use a wine lipstick and blend it to my skin, and then use the same brush I use for foundation. For my concealer, I use it to blend it, match everything together before using my contour. This is my contour. This is a dry powder contour brush. This is a bronzer. Yeah, it's called bronzer. This is a bronzer that I'm using. I'm not using the dry one, the wet one. I'm using the dry one. After using that, I just use the same bronzer, the same dark powder to bring out the shape of my nose out, so that I can get that pointed nose. Okay, even though my nose does not have that pointed nose, but just try to do the work. Okay, after doing all those things, do my setting powder, my loosing powder, and my setting powder. After using that, and I do my lid. Okay, this is where I'm loving on my makeup. Two things I love on my makeup: eyebrow and no, three things: eyebrows and a bronze and a brush with a highlighter. Those two things I love on makeup. Those two things I love. Those three things I love on makeup. Okay. After doing my brow, and I use a concealer. The concealer I use is from Juvia's. Sorry guys, I'm supposed to mention the name of the foundation that I use. The foundation I use, you guys know that I love Juvia's. I love you. Even Juvia's, they have not promoting me. Okay, okay. I love Juvia's. I love their foundation. The eye base and the concealer I use, the eye base is from Juvia's. The concealer is from Juvia's. Okay, I use the dark shade for the concealer for the top, and I use the eye base for the down. You guys, I'll show you guys the eye base that I bought when I bought it unboxed it. That was last year. Okay, I've shown you guys before. If you are a new person here, please just follow this page, like this video, like my page, follow my page. Okay, on this page, on my page, I do about 3 things on my page. I eat and I do makeup, I do hair. Okay, that is what I do on my page. Okay, after doing that, just I do a little cut crease. Okay, it has been a long time. I've not do a cut crease for a long time now. I just try to do if I can still get my cut crease. Anyway, I still try for it. Okay, because I've not been doing it for a long time now. And I use pink color. This pink color that I use, I don't know why this color is showing on camera pink. This color is not pink like that, guys. It's not just pink. It's not pink like that anyway, but on the camera it show pink. The color bring out a beautiful pink. And this white eyeshadow I use is white. That one is perfect. It's white. It's not any other color. It's white. After doing that, I just use a brush to blend all my powder, my face, blend all the powder I used before. Make sure that you blend it very well. Okay, that is very important. And I take a little brush again to add on my brush I used before, because I love my face brush. If you see the makeup, guys, you will know that the brush is too much, but it's just that I love it. Okay, After I'm not going anywhere. I'm inside. I'm not going any party. I'm not going to church. I just do this makeup for people that is learning. After doing that, I wash it out. Okay. If you are washing my makeup, you know that I do all type of makeup. This is me, guys. 10 over 10. Look.